Ready? It's not really a military aircraft, is it? That is a crop duster, and this is when he was in fire and rescue, dumping water on fires. There you go. And look, all these vehicles are from Pixar movies. Yep. There we got Cars movies, and then this is Airplane. And look, there's another one from the same movie. Oh, and there's Dynaco Blue. Dynaco Blue. Lightning McQueen. These are just cool cars. I don't know what car that's from.
Go.
You like that one? Dynaco Blue. Can you say Dynaco Blue?
Blue?
Yeah, that's right. It's Dynaco Blue. You have to say it that way. Dynaco Blue. That's how Chick Hicks said it. He wanted it. Exactly. He wanted to be Dynaco Blue, but only Lightning McQueen was offered that. Dynaco Blue. And look, here's the Dynaco Blue helicopter. Yeah, it's Dynaco Blue. So what is it? Blue. Dynaco Blue. Can you say Dynaco? As long as you say blue, that's fine. Airplanes and helicopters. You like airplanes a lot? Apparently you do. Helicopter, we like those too. Do you see those over there by the Air Force Base? I think they probably have helicopters and yeah, they have helicopters, don't they? I know they have planes. Yeah, let me see if I can make a helicopter sound for you. That's not it. That's the wrong one. I forgot how to do that.